Welcome back. Today we're here in Car Crushers 2, and the brand new Christmas update is here with snowmans. The snowman hunt, it's back again. We got rims, we got the brand new vehicle, we got the legendary secret car at the very end. So, snowman hunt's gonna be happening in 3 minutes. Now, the giant magic snow, destroy the Santa. Oh, that's gonna be a Santa sleigh? Oh no. There's an ice target. There's different tasks here. So, we've got some brand new vehicles. Let's go check them out. Wait, why is it gray? That's my question. Why is it gray? Some vehicles are gray for some reason. No way. No way. It's back. It's back. Wait. Wait. No way. Oh my. His shops unlocks on December 25th, 5 a.m. and lasts until... Oh! Oh! No way! So many limiteds are back! With the truck, the toilet car. I already got the Batmobile. No way! The Christmas sleigh. Another Christmas vehicle. Like, what is this? Like, looks like a trolley car. There's so many vehicles that are back. On shop, let's go. They're back. I'll try to get as much as I can. But I'll have to be working on my credits. I only have 577. And these are 5,000 as the max. Holy moly, oh my gosh! Oh yeah, I love this! Let's go, they're back once again. Okay, so we can see where each of them is located. This is right there. This is gonna be right here. Oh my gosh, it's so good to have him back. Toilet car. I need to get the toilet car. I need it back. This was in the limit. I don't remember getting it. There's a go-kart thingamabob. What else? I'm so happy to have him back. Back here's the truck. So happy to have him back. It's been so long. Okay, now there's new vehicles. Where are they though? Is this one? There's event one. There's this one. Where are they? Oh, here's one. For 530 platina, goes 272 miles per hour. What? Okay. What's this? What tier is this? Demolition Derby tier. It's a 3. Yeah, it's definitely a 3. For 3,800 platina. Huh. This is big. Arctic Cruiser. Alright, so that's it for this car update. The vehicles you've got. There's so many. Oh. Snowman, here we go! Time to go catch some snowman. And a Hudson Hornet. Alright, snowman. Wait, oh my, they have health bars? Oh. Is that a that's a golden snowman. Jeez. Santa sleigh is a very rare one. Oh, I think this might be a normal snowman. If we got the Santa sleigh right off the bat, that would have been crazy. Anything? There's a beetle. Oh, that's a fence. What's this blue thing? I think it just tells you where the snowman are. Yeah, so the snowman would be on this side of the island. Bam! There's another, that's another common one. There's another one. There's another one. There's another one. There we go. They already squished this one. Ow! I don't think they go to the run. Maybe they go to the. Do they go to the runway? I don't think so. I'm just remember we don't need that one. There's one. Get onto the ice. There's another golden one. I'll ram it. There we go. 2 golden snowman. The snowman are only like a half. Okay, there's another snowman. Down this way. Let's see anything down this way. There's 16 snowmen left. Not big. Oh, and it's over. Okay. Okay, so it leads me to it. Okay. Okay, that can't. Wait, what? 1. Oh, here we go. Yay! 40. Whatever those things are called. What are they called again? Break. I'm stuck on the screen. Get off of me, please. Oh yeah, the MP. Oh my gosh! 600 MP for that? Well, I can't spend 200 MP for free. I already have 200. Okay, well, we gotta go to the Target right now. I think this is what we have to do. There we go. Yeah. Failed. 22. Frick. Yeah. Let's go. Yes. Okay, I got the uncommon gift. I'm questioning myself. What are those mystery secret cars? Oh. Target! Target! Run it over. There's another one. You missed it. There we go. There's another target on the ice. Are we gonna have to jump from that ramp and hit it? Oh no. If that's so, well, we'll be having a lot of attempts on that. Yeah! Yeah, let's go. Okay. That's destroyed. Oh wait, I need to take off the plow. I don't want it on. Alright, what's next? Okay, the present's back again. Okay, what do you want? Okay. Currency? Currency gift? Huh? First try. Jeez. First try, and it's destroyed already. Okay. We got the stunt park target, the ice target, the runaway target, I'm about to say runaway target, mountain stunt target, highway stunt target, mountain drop target, and waterfall stunt target. Track this task to see a location marked on the map. The higher speed and vehicle weight deals more damage. Okay. Huh. Okay. Send it. Wait, we could do that. We could do it. We could do it. Is this the road? Wait, there's another target there. Hold on. I'll just hit it. I'll just hit it. I'll just. Wait, what? What? One target down. Overshot it. Where's the ramp at? So, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll see you all in the next one.